Hey everyone, welcome to Bartending channel. My name is Roman and today we will learn how to make one of my favorite classics, the Hanky Panky. This cocktail was invented back in the 1900s by legend bartender Ada Coleman. Back then, she was the manager of the American bar at the Savoy Hotel in London, and she created this drink for a famous British actor called Charles Hawtrey. Alright, let's begin with the cocktail. For this recipe we need gin, sweet vermouth, and Fernet Branca. The first thing will be to chill the martini glass. Mine is already in the freezer, so I will start by adding the ingredients into the mixing glass. Charles Hawtrey used to ask for a cocktail with a bit of punch in it, so when Ada prepared this cocktail for him and he tried it for the first time, he said, "That's a real hanky panky." Okay guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If you like it, please thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and the question of the day is, have you ever prepared a cocktail for famous people? Let us know in the comment below. See you next time.